Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. It is time for your daily dose of Spanish here. So just finished my walk, and so the first thought to my mind in Espanol was los conductores Dominicanos no son corteses. Los conductores dominicanos no son courteous. So, first thing in my mind was Dominican drivers are not courteous. I walk facing the traffic so that they can see me, but of course they can't see me if they are looking down at their cell phones. So, los conductores dominicanos no son corteses. Los conductores dominicanos no son corteses. We have to help them to be more courteous. Okay, guys, that's your little bit of Spanish for today. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. We got sunshine back in Punta Cana. I think the rain has passed us for a few days, so get out and enjoy your wonderful day. Stay tuned for tomorrow, Thursday. No, not tomorrow. This Thursday evening episode. We have a huge announcement you do not want to miss. All right, so I will see you guys for Spanish tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and have a great day.